This is a 1952 Pontiac two-door hardtop Catalina. Very quiet engine. You can barely hear it running. I'll back up and we'll do the lights. There's the driver's side blinker and there's the headlights. Bright lights. And there's the passenger side blinker. And there's the driver's side blinker again. And I'll walk around the car a little bit. Notice the paint. I'll try to get a close-up of it. The paint is absolutely beautiful. All the trim work is nice. There's the windshield wipers working. Just look at the shine. Look how that chrome pops against this black. The Indian works. Lights up. Nice interior, beautiful trim. I'll go back here. This car was really detailed with the options. That rear bumper guard, that's really unusual. There's your brake lights. And there's the driver's side blinker. And there's the passenger side blinker. There's backup lights. And we're going to come around here a little bit, and then I'm going to get inside the car. Brand new tires on it. There's the horn. Okay. That's the emergency brake or parking brake. Works great. It's just listen to quiet. Doesn't even sound like that motor's running. Got a nice headliner, interior. Heater works, but you can't hear it. It's underneath the seat, so it's real low. Radio does not work, and the clock does not work, but all the lights and everything else does. All the gauges are working properly. And we'll just go down the street here. You can hear it accelerate really nice, quiet, and then we'll shift into gears. Goes. I don't think you're going to find one any nicer than this as far as driving goes. So if you're interested in the 52 Catalina, give Nick a call at Dream Cruise Classics, 586-453-9316. That's Nick at Dream Cruise Classics for a nice 1952 Pontiac two-door hardtop Catalina.